Now I want to try something, so let's mess around with the background. So let's go here and Control Z that actually. So should be able to mostly drag and drop. Here I sort of want to view it statically, so you could do it here, so you could actually mess around with the background as you could see. But I'm not sure I want the gradient overlay, so instead I'm gonna do that so I don't have the gradient. And now I have this new background and this new style. I could also try here, but that's too blue for me. Or I could try something like that. I want something that matches a bit more, so let me see what other backgrounds that they have to offer. Definitely that wouldn't match that well. But let's type business. So this is nice because you could actually search what may be available. So this is not too businessy in my opinion. And I'm trying to find something that is free. So I could go sorting and free, apply filters, and that is what's really nice. And then I want to actually change that to a different element at this point. So elements here, and then let's change that to this ironically. So let's do that position backward, and then let's probably make that white as well, or actually kind of grayish. This I want to is there a way to sort of make this stand out a bit more? So let's see if there is like I want to change the color or the font. I want to see if there's I could just do transparency just for the sake of it. And then music. So music, I want something maybe more ambient or something. This would work. And then let me play this. So yep, so that's how you mess around with backgrounds.